Why use the wave principle?
The logic of it. It's a very logical way of analyzing markets and how they move and how they behave.
Elliott waves are simply how financial markets work. If you then want to overlay moving averages or sentiment indicators or any other supporting evidence on top of the wave pattern, you can, and we do that all the time.
It tells you where you're wrong, and that, in a trading standpoint, allows you to limit risk. So if you have a trading idea, you decide how much you want to risk, you know what level should be your exit point, and the wave principle is what tells you that, not some random interpretation of fundamentals, which can be all over the board.
We're taking something very complex like people's emotions, how the markets move, which drive markets, and tracking them using 3 rules and maybe 5 guidelines, and that is it. So there's a lot of space between those 3 rules and those 5 guidelines of how we might look at various patterns that unfold within the market and how they connect together. Where does that put us within the progression that Elliott laid out almost 100 years ago now? And that's, to me, and I tell people now, it's almost like walking into a mall, again, dating myself, but walking into the mall to the sign in the middle that says, you are here.
Technical analysis is, in my estimation, the best form of market analysis you can have because you're dealing with the human condition. And I think Elliott Wave analysis and the Elliott Wave model we use is the highest form of technical analysis because it has a certain set of parameters, guidelines, rules that you can apply to help you analyze whatever situation you're looking at. Elliott Wave Principle by Frost and Prechter.
The textbook, Elliott Wave Principle. The Elliott Wave Principle.
The Elliott Wave Principle book by Frost and Prechter.
Frost and Prechter's Elliott Wave Principle. And that's all you need.